Buyers, have you been sidelined for the last couple of years waiting for the market to shift due to affordability? With rates trending down, today's market might be the sweet spot you've been waiting for, but it may not last too long. Hi, I'm Cheryl Folks with eXp Realty. As a buyer, you might be weighing your options to see if now is the right time to jump back into the market. After all, mortgage rates have come down and inventory has increased, putting you in a better position with affordability and options. However, if you wait too long, you may miss that sweet spot of an opportunity. You may want to ask yourself, can I afford to buy right now before buyer demand increases due to lowering rates? According to the real estate website Bankrate and Chief Financial Analyst Greg McBride, waiting for the perfect time to buy is impossible. The longer you wait, the higher the risk that market conditions will shift. A recent survey from Bankrate found 52% of buyers would be motivated to buy this year if the rates drop below 6%. With rates currently hovering in the low 6% range, there is a good chance we can be in the high 5 range pretty soon. If this happens, there will be an increase in buyer demands, which will most likely push home prices up and possibly price you out of the market again. So what does all this mean for you? Right now, you may have the opportunity to get ahead of the competition. If you are in the sweet spot of affordability, now might be the right time to strike. As a buyer, the key to this shift is to act strategically and align yourself with a good agent. For more information about the latest housing trends, affordability, and pricing, reach out to my team and I so that we can help you navigate all the changes in the housing market. I'm Cheryl Folks, and when you do what you love, people love what you do. Give us a call.